in previous video of technical ARS. So hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your bootable pen drive of Windows 10 for free. So without being said, let's have a tutorial. So for the tutorial, you need three things: a power ISO, a Windows 10 ISO file, and your pen drive. So first of all, to download the power ISO, you need to go to your website, that is Power ISO all-in-one solution. The link is given in the description. So you have to download your specific architecture of Power ISO. In my case, I have a 64-bit computer. You can see I have a 64-bit operating system. So I will download 64-bit version. So download, click, and it will tell you to download where. I have already downloaded. And for the Windows 10, you can watch my previous video, and you can select here your Windows 10 version. I will select 64-bit and it will start downloading. So I will cancel it because I already installed it. And then you have to install your Power ISO. So open it up, press on I agree, and select your path. In my case, I will leave it default. I will press install, and yes, it's completed. So I will press next, and in the case you can see which of the extension, that is the Power ISO, will assume. So in my case, I will leave it as default, and here it too I will press close. So you have to close it, and then open your Power ISO, and it will tell you to register your Power ISO. So it will tell you to register. So press on enter registration code, and then it will ask you for username and registration code. So in my case, I have activation key, and the username and registration code is given in the description. So I will copy it, and registration code, copy, and it will say thank you for registration. Press OK. So after that, you have to go to tools and then create a bootable USB drive. So here is the pop-up. You have to press OK, and then here is a pop-up menu, and in this section you have to select your ISO file of Windows 10. So select your ISO file. So I will select it up and press open. So in this section, you can see it is asking you for selecting the pen drive in which you want to create it bootable. So I will select my SanDisk, and then I will leave it as default, and then I will press start. So here's the pop-up menu. It will ask you to format your pen drive. So before formatting your pen drive, you have to take a backup of your pen drive. So I will press OK. So now, as you can see, it has been completed. So press OK, and then close, 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 and close. Refresh and go to file manager. You can see its thumbnail has changed. You can see in the properties its name is also changed, and the space of 5.8 gigabytes has been occupied, and you have to refresh, and you have to right click on it and eject. And after that, plug out your pen drive from your PC and head over to your computer or laptop in which you want to install your Windows 10. So plug your pen drive, go to your BIOS and select your bootable pen drive as a bootable device. And then in a few minutes it will show you the fruit of the fault, and then the bootable pen drive is capable for installing the Windows 10 on your PC for free. So now in the next video I'm going to show you how to install the Windows 10 on your laptop or computer for free with 100% and lifetime activation. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.